morning, everybody. This is what I'm talking about. Man, when you talk about gorgeous, the kid can zoom in on this. What a beautiful, beautiful paint job on this. Custom painted maroon, the pan, the timing cover, the block. Looks gorgeous on here, I'll tell you something. Got the March kit on here with an alternator power steering, Ford racing valve covers. Of course, 90-something% of our engines are now with the Holley EFI systems, the Sniper. They run phenomenal. Again, no exceptions. If you'd like something built, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Remember, the proof is in the performance. Thank you. Okay, Ron, we got this gorgeous 347 EFI engine here on the dyno. It's going into your '88 Toyota pickup truck. Gonna fire it up and give you a run demo.